Alright, Google has done it again. They've launched something that could challenge all subscription-based coding platforms like Lovable or Replit, and it's called Google AI Studio Build. With this, you can create complete AI-powered applications without spending a penny. In this video, I'll show you how it works. I'll build a real app and tell you if it can truly replace the app builders we all know. So if you've ever tried building an app with AI, you know how the story goes. At first, everything flows smoothly, but just when the project gets interesting, boom. A paywall appears, credits run out, or you face $5,100 subscriptions or ridiculous limit. Google seems to have heard these complaints and released a free alternative that honestly works better than I expected. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And to access it, simply go to Google AI Studio and click on Build. Here we can write our idea, upload reference files, or simply speak into the microphone for the system to generate our complete application in seconds. It's powered by the Gemini 2.5 Pro and Flash model. It comes fully integrated with Google's ecosystem, images, video, search maps, and more. So let's try something practical, an app that helps improve your YouTube thumbnail. I tell it, create an app where I can upload an image, change the person's facial expression, and add a before and after comparison button. I click on Build, and we'll wait. And well, unfortunately it seems the tool is down right now, okay? So I won't be able to show it, but let's continue with the news. And it also has the I'm feeling lucky option, okay? The most fun part, honestly, is that you click on the system and it invents an application for you. I got a crazy idea, like an intelligent culinary assistant for a refrigerator. As you can see, I didn't have to think at all, just try it out. Perfect for experimenting or unlocking new ideas. When you finish an app, you can simply get all the code, save it to GitHub with one click, or deploy to Google Cloud, or just share a public link for others to try it. You literally go from idea to application and users in minutes. Alright, let's have an honest comparison. And as you've just seen, not everything in this news has been perfect. First of all, aside from it not working, it's ultimately a tool that's in Google AI's experimental study, etc. And they themselves are testing different things. I'm going to hit build again, but as you can see, there's an internal server error, so who knows what'll happen, right? But basically, you're limited to Gemini models within the environment, which is already a limitation in itself. If you generate thousands of images or videos, you'll have to pay for model usage, and some faces or visual details still need work. But compared to Lovable or Replit, the big advantage is getting a working prototype for free, which is all you need for most personal projects or tests. So in conclusion, Google AI replaces Lovable or Replit. Well, if your goal is to test ideas, quickly teach, create prototypes, or experiment with AI, my answer is yes. If your goal is to create large or commercial projects, you might want to stick with your favorite tools. So for everything else, this is a new starting point. And tell me, what do you think of this artificial intelligence?